Next time you crave dry pot shrimp, just make it like this. It's incredibly spicy and flavorful. The more you enjoy eating, the cleaner and more hygienic it is when you make it yourself. Only for just a few dozen yuan, you can easily recreate the taste of a restaurant chef. Today's dish. The materials are very simple to prepare. Chicken wings and fresh shrimp are included because this dish is for our children. We must clean the shrimp thoroughly. Today I'll teach you which parts of a shrimp are edible and which are not. Please watch. One moment. This part is shrimp roe, and the black part is shrimp tail. Shrimp roe is edible, but shrimp tail is not. We use scissors to cut it off from the shrimp's rostrum. You see here. The black part is the shrimp tail, which we cleaned. Then, did you cut off those tiny legs? Practical. The value then follows. We count from the bottom of the area. 1, 2, 3, the third joint. Let's find a toothpick as light as mine. Gently insert it and then tap it. See the bottom wire? It came out very easily, and then we use a knife, look, from the shrimp tail. It's easier to slice it open like this. Look at these prawns cooked this way, they're so flavorful. You can even eat the heads. Not a single bit of waste. Fee is like when we usually go to a restaurant and order a dry pot dish. The shrimp cost 10 yuan, and the price was over 100 yuan, and there weren't any large shrimp inside. Several of them have ingredients underneath. Today I bought prawns and only spent 20 yuan on this. After that, we use clean water. A simple wash will make it safe and clean for the family to eat. After cleaning, we'll use a slotted spoon. Just pour out the water and let it drain. You don't need to worry about it anymore. Next, let's process these chicken wings. These chicken wings are usually cooked directly after buying them. It's not that it's hard to absorb flavor, so let's chop it up. We start from the middle of the 70s. This part, cut in half like this, makes it easier for the flavors to penetrate. Here I'd like to ask all my friends. Do you always like to eat these chicken wings after buying them? If you learn this method today, whether it's braised or salt and pepper, your kids will fight over it. You can save this. Come and give it a try. And these chicken wings are 15 yuan today. I don't know how much money you'll get for buying it, because most chicken wings are now sold frozen. Therefore, it has a relatively strong fishy smell. Next, let's remove the fishy smell. Add a spoonful of salt, then a spoonful of flour. Because of the osmotic power of salt and flour, adsorption properties can be very good. That's how we remove the blood and impurities from inside the chicken wings. After mixing it thoroughly, pour in clean water and let it sit. Soak it for 10 minutes first. After draining the shrimp for a few minutes, we'll marinate them. Continue here. First, add a little pepper to remove the fishy smell and a pinch of salt to give it a base flavor. Then, let's add a little bit of the cooking wine from Yang's braised sauce. I want it to look as much like this bottle cap as possible. Half a bottle. Just cover it up. Okay, first, give it a good rub and mix it well. After that, here comes the important part. Soy starch. Add it in small amounts multiple times. Don't add too much at once, otherwise you won't be able to control the consistency. Let me mix it up, and you'll see how seriously I divide it every day. Enjoy a delicious and simple home-style meal. Its methods and techniques have been shared with you without reservation. If my video has any effect on your cooking skills, if you've helped me, please give me a like and follow. Please support and encourage me so that you can always ask me for help next time you want to eat it but don't know how to make it. At the same time, Juan would like to thank everyone here. I am very grateful. Thanks! We then thinly coated each shrimp. Just coat them with a layer of cornstarch after soaking. We just need to clean it thoroughly. But you must use kitchen paper towels to wipe this inside. Blot out the moisture, otherwise it will be too wet and won't absorb the flavors well, resulting in a less delicious dish. After patting it dry, let's marinate it. Going in the same way? Add a little salt for a base flavor and a pinch of pepper to remove any fishy smell. It should be similar to MSG. Add what you like to eat, and don't add what you don't like to eat. Again, have some of this light soy sauce. Simply mix it up. Make sure it's well mixed so the flavors will penetrate easily. After mixing, what's next? I can use a little less potato starch or cornstarch. This cannot be locked up. This method makes the chicken wings taste even better because they retain moisture after mixing well. We'll leave it aside to marinate for 10 days. The shrimp and chicken wings are ready in minutes. Now let's chop some side dishes. We'll prepare a potato. First, we cut this potato into a thin slice, not too thick. Next, then cut it into 2 or 3 pieces, not too thick. It should be about the size of our index finger. When our chefs make this dish in restaurants, they basically deep fry it. But today I'm going to teach you how to make it at home. Therefore, we don't need to deep fry because deep frying is it's a waste that we prepared a frying pan. If we didn't have one, a cast iron wok would have been fine. Put a little oil in the pan and heat it to about 50-60 of its maximum temperature. Then we put the prawns in. Fry it in a pan over medium-low heat, turning it occasionally. Such large shrimp, the bottom will heat more evenly after one side is cooked, like mine. Flip it over and fry the other side. One turn and you won't flip the pan. We use chopsticks to turn the cause. Is it because this frying pan is hard to flip? Is this the right method for frying? The prawns that came out were incredibly crispy, even the shells. After the surface is fried, we'll pour out the oil and let it drain. We'll use the same method for the chicken wings. Pan fry it too. We pan fried the chicken wings until they were golden brown and thoroughly cooked. That's it. Let's pour it out and put it together. After frying all of them, what's next? We started stir frying, adding a little oil, not too much oil. We heated up the green and red peppers and garlic that we had prepared beforehand. Sichuan pepper. The key to making it delicious is to put it in. Let's add a spoonful of this dry pot sauce. With this dry pot sauce at home, whether it's dry pot shrimp, dry pot squid, or dry pot beef, the taste is absolutely delicious. We stir fry this seasoning until it releases its aroma. After this time, let's drizzle some shiaoxing wine over it to remove the fishy smell, and then we put in a large shrimp and chicken wings. Go up there. Sprinkle some shredded onions to add some aroma. Add some chopped scallions for extra flavor. Finally, I sprinkled some black and white sesame seeds on top, which was kind of weird. Then small fire. Change to high heat quickly. Quickly stir fry it evenly and it's ready to serve. You can also prepare a small pot to line the bottom with some. The shredded onions serve two purposes: to enhance the flavor and to prevent the bottom from sticking. Strange, spicy, and savory flavor, that's it. Doesn't this dry pot chicken and shrimp look appetizing? If it's out of 10, then. If you were to rate the minor skills, I'd give it a score for you guys. Try it to see how it tastes before it's cooked. It's dry, fragrant, and flavorful. Even the shrimp shells are crispy. I definitely have to make some for the kids. Try this flavor, it's amazing.